going to be a quick unboxing and review vlog kind of video. Was on my wish list, but then it wasn't, and then it was, and then it wasn't, and then it was. Okay, and here we go. I went to the Louis boutique and I picked myself up something nice. Yes. This item was on my wish list. I had been eyeing it for a minute, but I wanted to make sure that I really wanted it. That's what I normally do for like luxury purchases. If I think about it enough and I really kind of research the item, I'll go for it. So that's what I did with this. So let's get into it. So this is the regular Louis Vuitton, of course, traditional packaging. This is the box. Nice, like, of course, traditional Louis Vuitton color with the ribbon. And then, of course, my receipt with all of my documentation in there. All right, so let's get into it. This is the box, like I said, and let's go. So you slide it out like this, and this is what we have. Yes. So these are the Louis Vuitton Louise hoop LV earrings. Yes, I did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. I did it. Okay. I love these. At first, I was a little hesitant with the price because of the hefty kind of retail price, but I just went for it. It was like, whatever, girl, go. So, a little bit of backstory. Like I stated, I have been wanting this item, so it's been on my wish list. I went to the Louis Vuitton website, and it was sold out. And my local Bloomingdale's has a Louis Vuitton boutique inside of the store. So called them, they had them, they put me on hold, and your girl went and picked them up. So yeah, that's how I was able to snag these. These retail for $714. It's a bit of a price tag for hoops that are not real gold. You heard me. They're not real gold. Okay? Don't judge me. Judge yourself and your mama. But anyway, okay, they're not real gold. They are the gold metal embossed material. So, they are like not heavy, but heavy enough where they won't get lost and light enough where you don't feel them on your ears. The middle LV, to me, the middle LV emblem actually weighs the most. The hoop around it is actually hollow, so it's kind of a medium weight for the ear. They're fine to me. I didn't wear these out particularly, but I put them on around the house and I wore them around, and they are fine. So this is what it looks like on. This is the size. It's not really a huge hoop, but it's big enough to be a statement, right? Not too small and not too big, but just right, okay, in the middle, which I like. Like I said, they're not too heavy, but they have just the right amount of weight. So you'll notice that they're on your ear in the event they slip off. Actually now come in a silver tone, but I'm more of a gold girl with this type of jewelry, so I went with the gold, just as an FYI if you're looking for these. Another thing, like I said, they were they're $714 retail price. But guess what? Your girl never pays full price for luxury. Okay, I always have a trick for you. Anyway, like I stated, I went to the Louis Vuitton boutique inside the Bloomingdale's store. And to my surprise, I always shop at Bloomingdale's anyway, and I'm a part of their loyalist program. So the gag is I was able to use some of my loyalist points to actually purchase these in the store. So I didn't pay full price for them. So this is a win-win. Like if you are on the fence about the cost, which I know can be a little bit much for something that's not real gold, I get it. I was a little apprehensive as well, but because I received them a little cheaper than what I was going to pay for, I'm good. Okay, so the earrings actually have like a clamp. It's not your traditional clamp. It has like this opening here, so it's very secure and it's not likely to become loosened. So I'm happy with that. And yeah, I like my purchase. Okay, I'm not disappointed. I can't wait until I really get a chance to wear it. It's COVID. Your girl's been in the house. I just ain't been nowhere. So a raw review of the earrings is that I love them. Okay, I'm probably biased because I wanted them and I also got them at a cheaper price than what I expected to pay. So, you know, I love them. I can't wait to wear them more. The only concerns that I might have is with tarnishing because they're not really gold. But the salesperson told me that I can bring them back to be polished, and that I can also use the bag that it comes with to polish it as well. So I'll just be sure to store them, you know, in a safe place and make sure that they're out of harm's way to be tarnished. So those are my only concerns, but overall I love them. I was excited to get them and add them to my, you know, my luxury items. So there you go. All right guys, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing vlog review. Comment down below and let me know if you're considering to purchase these earrings, and which finish are you into. Are you into the gold or the silver? All right guys, that's it. Don't forget to like and be sure to subscribe, and until next time, ciao.